I bet you guys didn't know that I was a master woodworking craftsman, artisan even. I didn't know either until last week, where I decided to solve a problem and make something instead of buying it in the store. And what did I make? I made this, crafted from a piece of 2x4. Here is this amazing contraption. Even has my branding logo, RTO, that is on my channel, that came to me when I was in middle school, and I've been using it on every art project that I've created since, to let people know it was me that did it, right? It was my mark. And what is this thing? Is it some sort of a instrument? Is it like a gumball dispenser, M&Ms or something? Let's find out. All right, so here's the interior of my car. And here's my contraption. And look, it fits in my cup holder. And what is it for? It's to hold my new phone so that I can use it. It's right at hand's reach. I can see to navigate, and it's safe and totally custom made for my vehicle and my phone. And what's that hole for? It's so that I can have the phone plugged in and charging while I drive. Because if you're an Uber driver or someone who just likes to use your phone for navigation, you know that that's necessary. So as you can see, it works, does what I wanted it to do. I'm pleased, I'm satisfied with it. And you know what? If you have something you want to try out, try it. It might turn out terrible. I'm amazed that it turned out like it did. It was like it was being formed in front of my eyes, and it was really cool. And I found out some things that didn't work. I tried, I was going to leave it just natural wood, and I found out by deciding to try staining it that would have been a bad idea, because it made all of this wood stand up, and it made it rough, and it would just been damaged, and it would become dirty, and all of my hard work would have been wasted. So a few coats of polyurethane really did what I wanted it to do. It should last for a long time, as long as I don't throw it on the ground or something. And it's gonna do good by me as far as being able to hold my phone sturdily and make it so that I can keep my eyes on the road and have my phone close at hand while I'm driving for Uber. And it worked out fantastic when I used it last night and overnight for my crazy Uber driving experience. See that video? It's in my channel stuff. And I'm looking forward to using it more in the future. And yeah, I'm pleased. So thank you for watching. I just wanted to share this with the world. And if you want one, it'll be $550. And you need to give me the exact dimensions of your cup holder. And no, at $550 won't work, because then you're going to want to send it back to me when it's not. No, sorry. And I don't want to cut my finger off. I did cut it a little bit here. Sorry. Learn from just here. Look, it looks like this, and just, yeah, make your own, and you'll be happy with it too. Hey, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in another video. Bye.